Hi Sagittarius, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. So let us see what is coming up. Sagittarius, we'll be picking one card each, guys, for your daily energies and one card for your work situation or career and one card for your love energies, guys. We'll turn the cards as we proceed into the reading. TikTok, this is for your daily energy. Sagittarius, with this card, the energy is that, guys, there may be situations that may not go as you expected. So certain things you cannot change. You feel you do not have any control over them. So you need to give up those expectations, whatever you have in yourself, guys, regarding your situation. So whatever needs to take place is happening. So it may be something destined. Whatever needs to manifest is manifesting at the right time, guys, and everything is on time in your life. So we can relax thinking of that. Though certain things may not be going our way, we may be facing certain challenges, obstacles in life. We need to understand that it is all there for us to get a better learning of our situation and making ourselves stay positive in our situation, having that commitment and having that positive vibrations and intentions in our life, and expecting that fortunate times coming our way, guys. So that is the energy with this card. So this may relate to your work situation or your personal life, guys. So let us see what is the card for your career. Flexible. The energy with this card, Sagittarius, certain things are happening in your life and you have to have that open-minded attitude about it, guys. You have to have that adaptability to your situation. So whatever it is, you should be willing to learn new things and willing to adapt others' ideas. Be supportive of the people who are there in your life, but you need to stand for what you firmly believe at the same time. So you need to have that open-mindedness, but you need to be aware and open to new choices. Have that curiosity about things that are happening in your work situation, guys. So when you have that open-mindedness, when you accept other people's views, you will come to a better understanding of your options, whatever you have in your work life, whatever job opportunities or business opportunities that are coming. So you need to have that openness with those choices, guys, and you need to be really flexible to make things go your way. That is the energy with this card. So let us see what is the card for your relationship. To be fair. Sagittarius, the energy with this card is that this person or yourself, you feel you have to voice out your thoughts, whatever you need to speak to get that deep understanding of the situation, or your person wants to communicate with you to bring that understanding. So they want you to be open with your options, have a different viewpoint about your life, about this relationship. So they want you to have that balance, guys. reach that balance in this relationship and exchange ideas and plans for your future together. So they want to have that mutual understanding and love after a open heart discussion. So they want that in this relationship, guys. So that is the energy with this card. They want a communication with you, so they want deep understanding with you, guys. That is the energy. So that is the reading, Sagittarius. I hope you like this reading. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be doing more of such readings. Thank you for watching this video. Bye, Sagittarius.